Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. Let's say this was the data we were working on and this was an example. This data you are getting maybe in the form of months because whenever a month closes you will get the data related to that month. What you will be doing is get the data, copy here, and once it is copied, then copy the formulas and do this every month. Add more data here, then copy these formulas, and so on. But what if there is a huge data and you want to grab that data in here automatically? I'm going to show you how in data tab you can get data from a source. Now in this example we have Excel files which you are getting in the form of different files like this. You'll get 2018 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on every month, and this is what you got, and you want to import this data into one tab without doing any manual bits. Go for data tab, get data from file, from folder. We'll select data and open because in data folder we have all these files it is showing you. We'll go for, you can combine these files and directly load to your Excel, or you can transform data. Let's do a slight transformation here, just so you know how to do that, but we won't go in detail because this is another topic. So this is an example sheet. First file contains this data. As long as you're happy, you go okay. Now in this Power Query editor you got all your files. This is 2018 1, this is 2018 10, this is 2018 11, and so on and so forth. It doesn't give you all data because you can add literally millions of files in here. So this is just an example data, and you want to do anything with these columns, or then you can simply do that, and the output, it will work on output and will give you the data. In here we want to format this date as dates, so transform, this data type will be date, replace current, and we don't want this source name because it says .xlxx and we already know a date, so you can use this and you can just let go. So we'll just remove this column. I think that's it, and we'll just go in here home and load to. We'll load this to a table and to a new worksheet, and we'll press OK. Now it will read all those files, and if we change any file maybe in a certain month, then this will import that change in here. All you have to do is to go to data tab and press this refresh all button whenever you want to add something in there. For example, when you add a new month, then all you have to do is to go and refresh here and everything will change accordingly. This is how you get data from different files. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.